What's good, YouTube? You all know who it is. It's your boy, Lifty TV, and I'm back again with the video. And today I'm bringing us, once again, another vlog. And today, I still don't know where we're going, but it's a brand new day. And right now, we finna go somewhere and do something. I don't know what we're finna do, but Mama just told me to just wake up and just get the energy goes on because we finna go somewhere and such and but yeah, I'm trying to vlog for y'all. I might turn this channel like into like a pure vlog channel. I don't know yet, but right now it's a vlogging channel. It's like an all around channel basically. But yeah. Oh yeah, one thing, go subscribe to my gaming channel. Link is down below. I will be posting today or tomorrow. But yeah, go subscribe to my gaming channel. It's called it's all cap. Well, it's called MSG space Lil space T, and that's it. So go subscribe to that. Let's get to 10 subscribers by the end of today, and yeah, but I'm gonna start setting. I'm gonna start like doing. I'm gonna start doing like a. I'm shorty. Hush. I'm gonna start doing like a little like goal. Let's try and get 5 likes on this video, and I will post the next vlog in the same day. And yeah, but I'll see where we're going. So yeah. All right, y'all. So we in Chicken City. She's talking about. So we in Chicken City, and look, hold on, let me show you something. We got all this chicken, bro. Look at that. Buffalo hot wings in this bitch, bro. Look at all that, bro. It's all that chicken, bro. It's all that chicken, bro. I swear, bro. Look at that. Chicken on top of chicken, bro. Chicken on top of chicken, bro. Chicken on top of chicken, bro. I say it. I'll tell, bro. Come here, bro. Chicken on top of chicken. It's chicken on top of chicken, bro. It's stuff stay looking good, bro. So later on, we're gonna be eating some chicken, I guess. I mean, I don't mind eating chicken, but you know. This chicken.
You're gonna be mad when I get you to that. I'm ready to go. I'm not gonna get nothing there. I thought you was.
No. I'm ready to go.
No, we doing a video.
Come on. That bag with that cost
All that chicken, man. I tell you, man. All that chicken, bro. I tell you, bro.
No, my sister got 600 followers.
Since you got the these and waffle fries. Okay. These mozzarella cheese sticks, they hot.
Oh, yeah.
You know, these the poppers at churches. I've never had any of them. The bell peppers. I haven't had any.
Look good.
They ain't hot. I don't like hot.
Those poppers, they're not hot. They take, the seeds out of them.
Is that what you want? Regular?
Yep.
Small or cream?
Yeah.
Oh,
Those, we
Other
have to
smellies.
put those in there several
I like the smellies. Hey, I know. We have them up for school too. When I was 4 years old, we had them.
That's it.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, chicken look good. I swear. Come on, boy. Let's go. I'm not about to chase you, boy. I'm not about to chase you, dude. Oh, this chicken.
See a lot of light. See a lot of light. You gotta get here now, right? You gotta get here now, right?
And he got 600 followers. 600 followers.
So this is what Ashley, you got one more year of me?
I got 3 more years.
Yeah, when you get outside.
Oh, let me give you some paper. Don't throw it down.
What the paper I gave you? In the car?
Here, baby.
I left it.
He been leading with he got a booster with me, but in her car he got a regular. The full 6? Yeah. She just don't want to get him. That's just her. That's just her.
I know how to do it.
I don't know if it's construction on the freeway or not.
We can take the freeway and see.
Boot up. Hey. Boot up. I mean, what we saying? Boot up. Baby, boot up. I ain't found this song. I ain't found this. That song right there. That song right there, fire, bro. I'll put that on me, bro. What's next?
So far, give us an overview.
Build up, build up.
You don't like that song.
Oh, huh?
You don't like that song.
Yes, I do. Shut up. Whoa. Alright, y'all. So I think this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you're new. And yeah, like I said in the beginning, let's get 4 or 5 likes, and I will double upload today, like today, like right now. About the time you're watching this, okay, look, about the time you're watching this, I'm like already like vlogging. So yeah, go hit like button. Let's get 5 likes, and I would double upload. And yeah, I'll see you in this one. Peace.